I'm going to teach you how to find your HubSpot CRM Hub ID. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or have been using it for a while, locating your Hub ID can feel a bit tricky, but don't worry. This quick guide will walk you through it step by step. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type www.hubspot.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar HubSpot interface packed with tools to support your business operations. Next, click on the Login button, usually located in the top right corner. This will take you to the login screen. Enter your login details, and if you've forgotten your password, HubSpot gives you the option to reset it easily. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard, filled with tools and resources for managing your content, contacts, sales, and marketing activities. This dashboard is your central hub for everything inside HubSpot. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. This might appear as your initials or your profile image. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, click on your name. This opens the gateway to your personal settings and preferences within HubSpot. When the extended menu appears, look for and click on the account option. After selecting account, you'll be taken to the account overview page. This page contains all the details related to your profile and account settings. Here, you will easily find the key piece of information you're looking for, your HubSpot Hub ID, and that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've located your Hub ID. This ID is important for integrations, custom setups, and many technical configurations, so make sure to keep it saved somewhere safe. If any step wasn't clear, feel free to rewind and follow along again. With these instructions, navigating HubSpot should feel much easier and more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide. Happy HubSpotting!